Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Gracious, and today we are talking about signs to know if she is thinking about you, whether is your girlfriend or someone you want to make your girlfriend, someone you're crushing on, and you don't really know if she's thinking about you. I'm going to be relating with you guys points that will tell you, like, sure signs. You don't need to go straight ahead and ask. These are sure signs that will help you to know or figure out if she is thinking about you or crushing on you. The number one point is that she remembers big dates of your life or in your life. When a girl is constantly thinking about you, she definitely remembers your dates. Whenever you feel like, oh, okay, she remembers my birthday, and maybe when you mentioned it, it wasn't like in a serious conversation or something that should be dated, but you just said it out of the ordinary, and all of a sudden you're so surprised to find out that you're on your birthday, that she's wishing you birthday and she actually remembers your birthday. That is a big day for you, and maybe you're not even dating her, or you guys just started dating, but you don't know if she is faking this love or she's real about it. So if she remembers important dates in your life, like your birthday, maybe your office opening, or maybe the day you're supposed to go for a job interview and she's the one that remembers it for you, or she reminds you, she just like come out of the blues and like, okay, how did it go? And you didn't tell her you were going for the interview that day, but maybe you've mentioned it earlier and that you're going for an interview so day. Just know that any important date in your life and she's able to remember it, she's definitely thinking about you, because for her to be able to remember it, she thought of you, and then she remembered, oh, tomorrow is his birthday, today is his birthday. So she's thinking about you. This is a big sign. Number two, she goes out of her way to do the nice things for you. Now, let me tell you, we girls, when we like a guy, we want to do beautiful things, nice things for him, because we don't like spending our money. So if a girl is actually going out of her way to do beautiful things, nice things for you with her money, no matter how little that money is, or not just the money aspect of it, maybe you fall sick and she's around you and she tends to like take you to the hospital or take you to the pharmacy or try to get something for you to take that will make you feel better. When she goes out of her way to do nice things for you, she's thinking about you. Another thing is that we girls, we actually sometimes are lazy to even arrange our own house. We are sometimes lazy to even cook our own food, and we are sometimes even lazy to do our laundry. But she goes out of her way to tidy up your house, make food for you, do your laundry, like some little things, or checks up on you to know how you're doing. Maybe you've been sick and she calls up to check up on you to know if she can come over to assist with your recovery. These are the little things that she can do for you. And when she goes out of her way to do it, and you know that you guys are not dating, you're going to be surprised, like, what? Just know that she's thinking about you, and she might have feelings for you. Because if she doesn't have feelings for you, she's not going to think about you, and she's not going to do all those things for you. Number three is that she looks at you a lot. Maybe you guys have the opportunity of sitting close together and finding yourself in a conversation, and you catch her eye always staring at you. Or you guys are not even together. Maybe you find yourself in a gathering, maybe you're not even sitting close together, but each time you look and you catch her eye staring right at you. Now, sometimes it depends on the way we behave, we react to things. Some women will boldly still look at you when your eye catch their eyes. Some of them will wink. Some of them would shyly take away their face. Okay, they can react differently to this, but once you constantly catch her eye, always gazing at you or staring at you, it is possible that she's thinking about you. and she wants to show you that she cares about you and she wants you to progress to something else. The fourth point is that she asks your friends about you. Now, if she have the opportunity of meeting any of your friends, your siblings, or even having their contact, whenever she runs into them, she's definitely going to ask them how you're doing. She's going to ask about you. That she knows that they are definitely maybe going to relate back to you, telling you that they asked about you, or they just want to generally know how you're doing. They always have you in their mind. That is why they are constantly asking about you, because if they don't ask about you, then they don't have you in their mind. So if they are always asking about you, they have you in their mind. That is why they are asking about you often. The fifth point is that her friends know everything about you. She's thinking about you, so she's always talking about you. And not just her friends, maybe there is a sister that is close to them, and any little opportunity they get to talk about you, they talk about you a lot. Any little thing that happens around, they remembers you and they use you for example. They talk about you. Like if they are constantly talking to their friends about you or their siblings about you, she's definitely thinking about you and she's always having you in her mind. Because if she doesn't have you on her mind, she's not going to be talking about you. She will not even remember that you exist. But when she constantly talks about you to her friends, then she thinks about you. Number 6, she texts you a lot. If a girl thinks about you often, she always wants to engage in a conversation with you. She always wants to text you or call you to maybe check up on you. Or she may not just text you to check up on you. She might just see a post and just send it to you. Oh, I saw this, it's cute. I was thinking you would like it. Oh, this movie is coming. Have you seen it? She'll just look for a reason to start up a conversation with you. And once you keep replying, she's definitely going to take the conversation to the next level. She wants it to keep going because she thinks about you and she loves talking to you. So when she texts you often, she thinks about you. And funny enough, it might be that she's not the type of person that texts or calls often. But when she does that to you, that means you're definitely always on her mind. Number 7, she tells you she's thinking about you. Now, she doesn't have to come boldly to your face and tell you, I am thinking about you. She can tell you she's thinking about you in different ways. When maybe she sees maybe a beautiful outfit online, she can send it to you and be like, oh, I saw this outfit. It is the kind of outfits that you dress in and I thought it would fit you. I just said, let me show you if you like it. That is her way of telling you, I am thinking about you. Because for her to see this beautiful outfit and she's sending it to you, immediately she saw it, she thought of you and sent it to you. That means she's thinking about you and she's using that way, that style to tell you, I think about you. Or you're someone that loves movie and then there's a new movie premiering. She might be like, oh, this movie is premiering. I thought of you because I know you love such movies. I thought of sending it to you to know if you've seen it. She wants to tell you that she saw this and this reminded her of you. So she's thinking about you. And she's using her own style of telling you that she is thinking about you. These are my short signs, short proofs. If any of these has ever happened or you're suspecting that this girl might be thinking about me and you want to be sure, these are short proofs. If you've seen these signs, just know that she's thinking about you. You can go ahead and make that move, or you're already in that move, you can go ahead and take the relationship to the next level. If you have any short signs that shows that a girl is thinking about you that you know that I did not mention here, don't fail to leave it down there below on my comment section. If you like this video or you like me as a person, do not forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not yet subscribed, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos. I am definitely going to see you in my next video. Bye.